Hello everyone. Today we're making another simple dish,韭菜苔炒鸡蛋, Chinese chives and egg stir fry. I'm learning to cook from scratch, starting out with simple recipes and learning together bit by bit. Hopefully, we will soon be cooking a variety of tasty dishes. Let's get to it. As I said, today we're making chive and egg stir fry. You might remember last time we made a cold cucumber salad, but this time around we're going to actually do some cooking. So that means I've got a bit of work to do. Eggs, chives, soy sauce, salt, and garlic. With ingredients that you can count on one hand, this really is a simple dish. First off, we'll start with the chives. Cut the ends off and cut the bunch into pieces, about half a finger long. Throw them in a bowl. And we'll move on to the eggs. Crack 3 eggs in a bowl. And give them a good whisk. And lastly, dice a couple of cloves of garlic. And then it's on to the cooking. But first, let's get our wok technique sorted out. Apparently, the trick to using a wok is to cook with high heat. We want to cook the outside without sucking the life out of our ingredients. The aim is to get a bit of charring and searing on the outside, but to also keep things moving around. We want to cook quickly so we can keep the moisture and freshness and crunchiness of the inside of the vegetables. How hot is hot enough? Flick a few drops of water at the wok. If they sizzle and evaporate immediately, you're good to go. Once the wok is hot enough, add a small amount of oil. Give it a little swirl around, and it will heat up quickly so we can add the eggs. Keep the eggs moving, and give them a light cook for a minute or so, and then take them out of the wok. Add a tiny bit more oil, and quickly fry the garlic for about 10 seconds. Add in the chives and keep them moving for about a minute to ensure they're evenly cooked. After a minute, add the eggs back in and break them up into smaller pieces. Add a pinch of salt and a dash of soy sauce. Then it's just a question of mixing and tasting for another minute or so, until it's done to your liking. And there you have it. A very light dish with pure flavours. The eggs are soft and savoury, whilst the chives maintain their refreshing crunchiness. 韭菜苔炒鸡蛋, Chinese chives and egg stir fry. Simple and easy, 5 ingredients, and not much longer than 5 minutes to make. Excluding time spent researching how to use a wok. Any tips on how to improve or any other variations of this dish, leave them in the comments below. See you next time.